many people around Western capitals, they were predicting that Pakistan is a failed state and it's going to be dysfunctional soon. In that context, our Chinese friends intervened and they jumped in with a sizable project, which was a showcase project of their basic BRI initiative known as CPAC. And from there, the confidence and the positive, I would see the feeling in the market initiated that this is not the case, that Pakistan is a dysfunctional, dystopian state becoming one. And the revival, the economic revival initiated from that point. We got infrastructure development projects, our port development started from there, energy interventions, sustainable energy